Are you willing to buy a diesel power generator available for sale? The industrial generators are fully integrated power generation systems that provide optimum performance, dependability and versatility for standby and prime power applications. Consider contacting MasterAire. Since 1962, they have been providing manufacturing service station equipment, boilers and compressors. There you can avail different types of diesel generator, including Perkins diesel generator, Master diesel generator, Cummins diesel generator, Volvo diesel generator, etc. Their motto is to provide high-tech infrastructure along with professional service at the best competitive prices. So, why wait? Contact them now at +1 647 363 5872 to share your needs. For more further details, browse through https://MasterAire.com.